Is there some karmic true love thing happening here, baby, or what? By that time, fast time with the night, said it's time to blow, you know. So out the door we go, back to the ride. Steve inside and alive, and off we drive. See, I hurt my lower lumbar, you know we never get far. Riding around in a stolen police car, so we dropped it off and piled in the caddy. Steve was driving, cause I had to talk to my man.
Folks, I don't know anything about any monkeys. Torture me all you want.
Torture you, that's good. That's a good idea. I like that one.
Running around, robbing banks, all whacked up with Scooby snacks. Running around, robbing banks, all whacked up with Scooby snacks.
Now I don't give a fuck about the Hell's Gate and funk in the crowd, man. I'm still standing up straight. So we put these jobs, make a little money. No one gets hurt if they don't act funny. On the way to the yacht, we almost got caught. Fast shooting mailboxes going where the cops is, yeah. They at the Dunkin' Donuts, adjacent from the former juice mailbox. Fast had just exploded. They gave chase from our man Steve's and Ace, and we lost those brothers with haste. We cast it off, and along we went off Bermuda to an island resort we rented.
Son, I need you cool. Are you cool?